Inflationary pressures in Japan are intensifying, particularly after the Bank of Japan opted not to raise interest rates. The decision has further weakened the yen, adding upward pressure on the cost of imported goods. The Japanese government is rolling out a range of measures to curb inflation and stabilize the economy. Our correspondent Gua Heng reports from Japan.
A roadside commercial and service complex for long-distance travelers in Utsunomiya, Ibaraki Prefecture, Japan, near Tokyo, has suspended fuel-intensive services such as saunas and hot baths amid rising petrol and gas prices. At the same time, it has stepped up sales of locally grown fresh produce, which is priced more competitively than in supermarkets to attract visitors. According to the facility's manager, the sharp rise in living costs is likely to curb long-distance leisure travel among Tokyo residents. The complex is therefore targeting day trippers traveling to and from the capital.
When petrol was cheaper, I would often travel to Tokyo or Yokohama for leisure. This year, I've been going less. It's necessary to cut back on spending.
The outlook remains uncertain, but last weekend we welcomed more visitors than usual. We are looking to increase footfall to offset rising costs.
Government subsidies for electricity and gas are helping to keep energy prices in check, while Japan's core consumer price index, CPI, which excludes fresh food, rose by 1.8% in March. The Japanese government is using a large public budget to subsidize energy and fuel products. Negotiations to reduce the consumption tax on food from 10% to about 1% are also being urgently carried out. However, concerns about public debt are also gradually emerging.
We will adjust supply chains to ensure petroleum-based raw materials reach everyone, which will help address the current challenges.
The government of Japan has urged businesses to raise wages for workers while pledging to intervene in the foreign exchange market if the yen weakens excessively, a key factor exacerbating inflation.